Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's me, Matt from A to Z Diecast here with the brand new 1993 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra model kit. So, blue of course. It does come with two sets of rims. My initial response was buy two of these, but I didn't. Because if you've watched my other videos, when I get the model kit from M2, I buy both, so I build both versions. I wasn't doing it with this. I don't grab every large scale Fox. 164, I do, but this I'm not. So while I'm building, I'm going to decide if I'm going to do one side chrome, one side silver, or pick a color. I'm not sure yet, but let's check this model kit out, as I've never built one from Maisto. It is 8+. I think I qualify for that. Skill level 2. I think I can handle that. So let's, oh, here's the back if you guys want to see. Bunch of parts. Bunch of different parts with a screwdriver. Pretty sure it's going to be different from the M2 screwdriver, because it's 124, so there's going to have bigger screws. So just my thoughts. Well, we're going to find out shortly. Okay. No glue, no painting. Okay. Here's our instructions and our parts. Take the box out of here. Axles pre-installed, very nice, with, I'll call them hubs to hold the wheels. Why is this here? Oh, because this is separate. Okay. So let's, I'm going to follow directions, I swear. But before I follow directions, let's take this screwdriver out. Oh, man down. Got it. Woo! Okay, so then rims out. Ooh, sorry. Oh man, don't do that. Haha. There is a scuff mark on the hood. I'm pretty sure that's not for me, but it could have been for me. No, it's paper or something. Okay. So that's not held in. Don't turn it upside down like I did. As you heard, a big slam. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that off. So it is metal. As you heard, it made a big sound when it hit the desk. This is metal. We got plastic for the windshield. Not a fan of the windshield here because it's got, where's the knife? These things right here for when they took the plastic off. But it is what it is. Okay, so let's check this out. So before I open anything else, here's our instructions. Okay. Number 1, mirrors and door panels. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, so mirror, mirror, What are these? Ooh, look, little mirrors. Oh my goodness. There's a rear-view mirror. Oh, my fat fingers are not going to be... Right, that's got to be... Oh, rear-view mirror. My fat finger's going to have a real fun time with this. Okay, let's try this with the knife. So this is right side first. Okay, so this is left. This is right. I don't know if this is the right way to put them on, but it looks like it. I'm going to try to push this on over here. There's that one. Here is this one. Come on, fingers. There we go. Goes this way. Yeah, it goes that way. Oh. Push that on. That was a pain. Okay, so now door panels here. Do one is mirror. So I guess this slides in here. Okay, there's a little slot, which I think the paint's actually in the way. I don't know if you can see that. I gotta slide this in this slot. Holy cow, this is hard. Skill level 2, my butt. I feel like I'm gonna break it. The mirror, not the door. Why is this not going in? There we go. Okay. Push that. Push it in like that. That's rough. So right now what I'm doing is I'm pushing up on the mirror. To make it try and sit correctly. There's a little post that you gotta push the plastic onto. I mean, it's getting better, but it's not really quite fitting. Pushing it down here. Where's the M2 screwdriver? It's a little small. No. This is a pain. Okay, well that's in. Hanging down. Ugh. Let's try this side. With the door closed. Well, this one slid right in. What the hell? It's got to be paint in the way. Yeah, it doesn't quite fit on that side either. But the driver's side definitely fit a lot easier than the passenger. Okay, let's do the door panel. Would help if I pick the right door panel. There's 3 holes, 3, but 2 posts. No, 3 posts. Okay, so we're gonna go here, here, and there. Okay, door panel's on. This one, same thing, door panel. And the mirror just fell out. See, I told you that one went in way too easy. So let's hold that in with this finger. Put this door panel on. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. There. With the door panel on, it definitely holds it a lot better. The mirror. The mirrors actually look straight on that side. This one, not so much. So hopefully, if you bought one and build it, your fitment's a little better. Okay. Okay, step 2 is make the dash. I don't know where that is. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay. There we go. Look at this. There's more stickers in here. Okay. So dashboard's here. There's an L1, which is this, the cluster. It's definitely a lot thinner than the silver. And it's not coming off my finger. Oh, this is pain. There we go. There we go. I use the screwdriver to help me push it in. I think I might have scratched it up a little bit, but it's in there. I do see, nicely done. They have the Mustang logo here. Nice. Okay, so now we did that. Now we got to put the steering wheel on. It's hard to tell, but those are the cruise control buttons up there, so that's the top of the steering wheel. You can also tell because there's a huge opening on the bottom, and it only fits in one way, it looks like. Let's see if I can do this without bending it. There it is. In. Sweet. Now, flip this over. It says, where is the rear view mirror? Here. Rear view mirror goes here. I mean, truthfully, if you don't put that in, you don't put it in. Where is it supposed to go? It's supposed to go there, but it doesn't feel like it's open. Is it open? Yeah, it's open. Okay. There we go. That went in. Okay, that's in. Then the dashboard goes up and in here. It's open. Ah, see, they have the doors open. Open the doors. this slides in like that. Doesn't like click in though, but leave it like that. Now we got to do the rear windows. Take this out. Pop on, pop on. It says no glue needed, so we're not doing the glues. No glue. Okay, so now it's rim time. Wheels. No lettering. They all look the same size. So, believe it or not, I have decided that I like the silver better than the chrome. Well, let's take them all out. Let's throw silver in. Do it from the back. Okay, there's silver. Let's look at the chrome. Yeah, I like the silver better. Take chrome out. Again, just like I do with my M2s, it's a lot easier sticking it in sideways and just rolling it over. So again, if you'd ever watch me build the M2 model kit, put the tire in, the rim into the tire that way, and then just twist. And it usually pops in place. Pretty damn simple. Like that. Just want to make sure it's all seated correctly. This one's not. Done, done, done. And last one. Now, let's take this off. Okay, so now it says put the rims on. Okay, rim 1, 2. That's nice and simple. 3 and 4. Rims are on. Here we go. Okay, now take this, add the seats. These are different seats, by the way. This one says 1 and 2. I don't know which goes where. Do we see a difference? Oh, yeah, look at the seat belts. Right there, seat belt. They are different. So this is the driver's seat. Back goes in first because it's angled, and then the front will just pop in. Look at that. Again, this nice attention to detail with the seatbelt receiver. I think that's what it's called, the buckle, the receiver. I don't know if the buckle's the one that actually moves. Is in there, so that's nicely. That was nicely thought out. Okay, so now it says take this with the doors open. Place this here. There's a little notch for the dash. Then we take this, tailpipes, gas tank to the rear, motor to the front, tailpipes. Slide that there, and then take your screws, drop them in, get their screwdriver. There we go. That's screwed in. Last but not least, taillights and license plates. So I'm doing license plate first because that's just me. Here's the plate. Crooked. Listen, that's as straight as it's going. Okay, now taillights. Slide in. I guess they're Cobra. I mean, you can't really do the little pinstriping detail, huh? Well, this one's not going in. There it is. I mean, that's pretty close. It says Cobra. There's that. This wing's a little loose. But there we go. And you know what I haven't checked? There's your motor. Oh, the front's not. Let's tighten this up. This looks like it's got to get tightened a little more. There we go. Not perfectly tight, but it's tight. There's your motor. If you wanted to, you could add some detail to it. But there we go. If you choose to do these, let me know what they look like. I just like the way the silvers looked better. That's my choice. You choose yours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos. Peace.